So for expressions, we're given the expression a times b squared times, or raised to the third power, all over b to the fifth. So remember, whenever I raise something to the third power, that means I multiply it by itself 3 times. So since this is raised to the third power, everything in the parentheses, this right here, that's going to be multiplied 3 times. So I'm going to just go 1, 2, 3 times. Well, what goes in there? A times b squared, then a times b squared, and a times b squared, all over b to the fifth. Now, if I count the a's, I have a times a times a, or anything multiplied by itself 3 times is just a cubed. Now I've got b squared times b squared times b squared, but remember b squared, I've got b times b, b times b, b times b, so I've got 6 b's total. Okay, all over b to the fifth. Now before I submit my final answer, I need to see if I can simplify this. So b to the sixth over b to the fifth, whoops, b to the sixth over b to the fifth, that's just going to be, I want you to think of it like this. That's like a times a times a, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 b's on top, all over 5 b's on the bottom. So now there's a shortcut to this, but I'm taking the long route because I want you to understand where the shortcut comes from. B divided by b is just 1, or 1 over 1. B divided by b is just 1 over 1. B divided by b is just 1 over 1. And then b divided by b is just 1 over 1. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 b's on top, 5 b's on the bottom that cancel out. What I'm left with on top is a times a times a, which is a to the third, all over b to the first, and then I don't have anything on the bottom, but 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, or just a to the third times b.